In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Skrill app. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So to get the right Skrill app, for this case, I'm showing you using an Android smartphone. You need to go ahead and find Google Play Store. Here, tap on Play Store to open it, and you should see a search bar on top here, or if you can see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. However, to search, make sure first you are logged in with your Gmail account. So I'll go ahead and search Skrill and then tap on the search icon, and you can see we have here our Skrill app. Skrill Pay and Transfer Money. To make sure it is the right app, make sure it is from PaySafe Holdings UK Limited. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.2 with over 228,000 reviews. Currently, the app has over 10 million downloads. This might have changed by the time you are watching this. The average size of this app is around 31 MBs. Now, if you see these details, you have the right app. To get it, tap on Install. This will download the latest version of Skrill app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can launch it directly from here, or if you go back to your apps, now you should see we have our Skrill app here. Open it, and this is the welcoming interface for this app. From here, go ahead and register or log in using your existing account. So that's how you can install the right Skrill app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.